how to change your PayPal name. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to change your PayPal name. So without further ado, let's get started. Right now, I'm using Android phone to show you how to change name on PayPal. But you can use any device such as PC or iOS. I'll be using Chrome here. Open the Chrome and search for paypal.com. Once you're here, you can log in your account. Once you log in your account, you can click the three tabs on the top left corner of the screen and go to Settings. Here you can see the Change Name button and choose a reason for changing your name. I'll be choosing the third one for the video purposes. There you go. You can now change your name into whatever you want. Just make sure it's the name of your official ID or your bank account, because sometimes PayPal will ask you for verification of your government ID, something like that. So make sure to use your real name. And that's how to change your name on PayPal. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video. Peace.